This tutorial will show you how to pause Windows Update online completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial. Alright, so step 1 in pausing, or to pause a Windows update in your Windows laptop, PC, computer, go to the bottom left hand screen next to the Windows icon and type in the search bar Windows Update Settings. Instead of clicking checking for updates, click the option below Windows Update Settings. Now in this case, you can click this icon or this option to pause the Windows update, but in this case I have already paused it because it says your device won't be updated while updates are paused. Another way you can do this is to scroll down and to click the option that's below View Update History, which says Advanced Options. Basically, this is a secret tip, trick, or hack because you can pause the Windows update further in advance instead of 7 days. Okay, so once you're on the advanced window option, you want to scroll down to the bottom where you see Pause Updates, and basically where it says Pause Until, click the drop down arrow. And as you can see, you can select a date, but you can scroll all the way down, and you can even pause the Windows update 1 month or 35 days in advance completely for free.